When your backup generator won't start, don't panic. Start by checking the basics. Make sure there's enough fresh fuel in the tank and that the fuel lines aren't clogged. Next, inspect the battery, clean the terminals, and ensure it's fully charged. Weak or corroded batteries are a common cause of failure. Take a look at the spark plugs as well. If they're dirty or worn out, clean or replace them. Try pressing the reset button and confirm the transfer switch is properly aligned. Regular maintenance, like changing filters and testing the unit monthly, helps prevent these issues. If your generator still won't start after these steps, it's time to call a certified technician. Keeping up with care and timely repairs ensures your generator is ready when you need it most.